Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will share with you guys some amazing apps that I believe you must have on your device in 2026. Let's first take a moment to take a look at Dr.Fone by Wondershare, your one-stop for your iPhone solutions. You will have an amazing toolbox with screen unlock, system repair that allows to fix iOS problems, downgrade iOS without iTunes, and do the anti-recovery repair. You will have the WhatsApp transfer, things like data recovery, data eraser, phone transfer, and password manager. All of these can be used with ease by any user. And once you connect your iPhone, you will see all the details regarding your iPhone, and you can connect via cable or just use your Wi-Fi, which is really awesome. And you can just go ahead and drag and drop files from your computer here to your phone. As easy as that, you can transfer anything to your iPhone. You will also have amazing tools like the ability to back up your device, unlock the screen, erase the data from a device, or maybe recover your data. You can recover from your iPhone, backups that you have done, or maybe from iCloud. It is very easy. You simply tap right here and you choose from where you want to recover your data. So Dr.Fone is actually filled with tools that will help and make the life of any iOS user much easier. So go ahead and give it a try by checking the link down below in the description of the video. Now we're starting things off with iChecker. This app allows you to check any device for anything you need. This is especially useful if you're trying to buy maybe a used device. You will install the app on the device and then you will see everything you need to know about this device. So right here you can see start model decoder right there. All you have to do is go to your settings, go to the about section and copy the model number, enter it here. It will show you all kinds of different information regarding the device. Now you will see here all the performance and hardware, the display and storage, basically everything you need to know regarding this device. You can run here a scientific benchmark, or what you can do is go right here and it will test your device for the touch, the face ID, the gyroscope, the proximity sensor. Basically all the sensors, all the elements of the device will be tested. Or what you can do is head on right here to the manual section where you can just go ahead and pick anything you want and go ahead and try it out. So right here you can see I can just go ahead and test the display of the device and see if it works properly or not. Next up is PapersNest. Now this one is really cool. It's an app that allows you to organize all your documents in one place. Now nowadays pretty much everything is digital. From your passport to your IDs to anything you want, you can go ahead and scan with your camera, choose from photos, or upload a file. So right here we'll have your finances and taxes, all the different forms. You can just go ahead and have them here. Whenever you need them, you will have them all organized into their places. You will have the health section where you will have your Medicare card, maybe your medical records, anything else you need. And of course, if we go to more, we'll have here way more categories to add from. Now you will also have your identity right here where you can have your social cards, your green cards, state IDs, passports, and all that different like driving's license, everything you need. Then you will have your personal like gift cards and all that stuff. You will have even more here with legal, family, housing, government, vehicles, anything you need right here. You can go ahead and discover them from here. If you need any document, you will have like a search section here where you can search from. You can go ahead and create here by again scanning or adding from your photos. And if you need any help, you will have an AI chat bot. Next up is WiFi AI. Now this is a chat bot that works offline. Now the thing about this is that it will require a couple of gigabytes of free storage to install on your device. Of course it will be quite big because it works offline, but it does work. As you can see, my device here is disconnected, and I can go ahead and add a question here, or maybe even add like a math problem from a picture here, and then just add a request here. And wait here for the answer. Now again, it's a no Wi-Fi AI chatbot, and as you can see, it does give me the answer, so it should work similar to online chatbots. Next up is Atlaso, an app that I really like and you will love it, especially if you love traveling. It allows you to add all the different countries you have been, the cities, add any notes, maybe even pictures, anything you need to actually keep track of places where you have been. So right here you can see we have the number 2 right there in Europe, means that we have visited 2 countries here. So if we go ahead and tap right there, it will show you the place where you have visited. And right here as well, you can see it will basically bookmark them for you, which is really awesome. Now you can go to the visited section right here, or you can even go to your wish list where you will see all the cities that you have marked as you want to visit. Now if you go to explore right here, you will have all the continents, and you will have, of course, all the states here. You can go ahead and view the ones that you have visited or the ones that you still haven't visited, and you can see right here will have all the details, the time when you have visited. You can see also quick facts about that place, which is really awesome. Now if you go to some place that you have not visited yet, you can go ahead and add it to your wish list, and you will see right here also an about section for that state, and also a few like different quick facts that you need to know. Next up is an app called QuickHelp. Now this is a really interesting app, also very important for you to have on your device. It allows you to quickly call emergencies, police, traffic police, and ambulance, fire department, or gas service. You simply swipe here and it will make the call for you, which is super useful. Now what's really cool is that if you go here, you will also have your contacts, so the SOS messages, or maybe pick one of your contacts and you can send a quick message. So right here, if I just go ahead and switch here, so you can see it changes the message: help me, I'm here, coordinates not determined. Of course you need to have location services turned on. I had an accident or an injury or like gas or fire or you're lost. You can just go ahead and send this right here by sliding and it will send a message from you. Now you can add your card right here. Just go ahead and add your card with all your information, which is really important. And then you will also have here signals like text and phrases that you can add, or you will have like SOS sounds or flashlight and screen. So we can try this out like this. If you just want to give signals, it's actually really useful. QuickTools is up next. Now this is an app that has a ton of different tools for your media in one place. Now you can see right here we have a few different sections. So we have photos, GIFs, videos, and audios. Going right here, you can go ahead and go just to the settings. You will have device tools right here, like color test, camera test. You can basically test anything you want right here. You have a dual camera. Then you will have file tools where you can like convert PDFs to Word, Word to PDF, merge PDFs, protect your PDFs, unlock them, unzip them, archive them, and all that stuff. Then you'll have media tools where you will have all kinds of different converters, different tools right here to use for your photos, GIFs, or videos. Basically, you will get like 100 like features or tools or whatever you want to call them, all in one place. Like taking a look at all these tools, you would probably need to download tens of apps to perform these actions. Now you can do all of that in one place. Next up is daily weather. Now this is a simple weather app, but what I really like about this app is that it offers the activity, the live activity on the lock screen, which is really cool. Now the app itself, as I said, it's actually quite simple. All you have here is the information regarding the city. You have selected the weather forecast for the next few days. You can switch between cities right here. And of course, you can go ahead and add more cities by searching right there. So once you have added the city, if you just go out, you can see it will go into the dynamic island, but it also shows right here on the lock screen, which actually looks beautiful. And you will even have the weather forecast for the next few days, for the next few hours, actually right on your lock screen. And last but not least is WikTok, one of my favorite apps from this list. It allows you to just learn a ton of things. Just like you swipe on like TikTok or Instagram, you can just swipe here and learn different things. Now the app is free to use, free to download. It does have a few ads here and there, but otherwise it's actually awesome. So you swipe here, you can learn different things, and what you can do is tap here if you want to share, which is really awesome. Right here you can go into like the reader mode for this app, and then here you can just go ahead and view just the pictures. Here you can view the full article from Wikipedia, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you go here, you can go to the For You section, or you can switch between different categories. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to download any of them, check out the description of the video. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.